So, GNIKAT, why did you ask us to meet up in the middle of the blueberry woods?
Well, I thought this would be a nice place to tell scary stories.
Well, I know a good one, the story of the Candigo. They say if you eat another living candy, you become the Candigo, a creature with large horns and flowers growing out of its head, with the corpses of the candies it eats becoming its abominable torso.
Well, that was scary.
Well then, you ain't seen nothing yet. How about the tale of Bloody Taffy? They say you can summon her by saying her name 9 times in a dark room with nothing, a candle and a mirror. She'll give ominous warnings, and cause all sorts of things to go bump into the night, until she drags you below.
Well, all these stories are so freaky, and somehow we haven't gone through everyone yet. Do you have a story, GNIKAT? I would like to hear it.
Do you really want to hear the story I have in me?
We all do.
Alright then. What the heck was that for, GNIKAT?
It's best you run, do, Reese's Puffs. I went through a lot to make up that story.
I just know the story you're telling is real. Come on, admit it.